And yes, speaking of national security, our next story involves one of the most sensitive and controversial topics in international politics. Well, some topics they are so sensitive that governments they spend decades avoiding direct answers. Nuclear weapons are one of them, and when subject involves Israel, the whole conversation that becomes even more delicate. Well, during a Senate hearing, Secretary of State Mr. Marco Rubio, he found himself facing a question that many officials they prefer not to discuss publicly. Do Israel possesses the nuclear weapon? The response cautious, measured, carefully worded. Well, Mr. Rubio he noted that many people around the globe they believe that Israel possesses such capabilities. And at the very same time, he emphasized that Israel has never officially confirmed having nuclear weapons. It was a familiar position, but the hearing it discussed publicly, immediately attracting a lot of attention. Now, for decades, Israel has maintained a policy often described as strategic ambiguity. It never confirms, it never denies possessing any nuclear weapon here. And this approach, it has allowed successive governments to avoid any direct discussions while maintaining a level of deterrence here. Basically, the policy has kind of survived change in leadership, shift in regional politics, and major international crises. Yet, speculations has never disappeared. You know why that matters? Because nuclear weapons can change the strategic balance of an entire region. Well, they influence military planning. Well, they influence the diplomatic negotiation, security calculation, even an indirect reference by a senior official. It can trigger debate among analysts, policymakers, international observers. Here, Mr. Rubio's comments, they also highlight the complexity of US foreign policy. Washington has long maintained very close ties with Israel, while simultaneously promoting non-filtration effort and that too around the globe. Balancing these objectives, that is not always easy. Every statement must be carefully calibrated. Every word carries implication. Well, the whole issue it becomes even more significant at a time when concern about nuclear programs they are growing elsewhere. Iran's nuclear activities that remain a major source of tension though. North Korea continues expanding its capabilities, global powers continue modernizing their arsenals. And in this environment, a discussion involving nuclear weapons it quickly attracts global attention. And you know what makes the whole story fascinating is that very little new information can actually reveal. Yet the conversation itself that became a news. And that tells you something important. Nuclear weapons remain one of the most powerful and controversial subject in global politics. Even a brief exchange during a hearing it can generate headlines around the globe. And yes, while questions about nuclear capabilities continue in West Asia, another major geopolitical rivalry is intensifying thousands of miles away. Because in Asia, tensions are rising fast. China is growing increasingly angry, and South China Sea that is once again becoming a battleground for influence and power.